In this video, I'm going to tell you if you need to speak Arabic if you're moving to Qatar. Make sure that you stick to the end because I'll also share some useful words and phrases that I've used during my time living here. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elisa, and if you're thinking of moving to Qatar, this is a question that you may be looking the answer for, just like I know I did before we came here. So, do you need to learn or speak Arabic to live in Qatar? This is definitely something that we looked into as soon as we knew we would be making the move to Qatar. In our excitement, we even learned a bunch of words and phrases in advance. But seeing that Arabic is considered the hardest language for English speakers to learn, do you really need to? Now, something really unique about Qatar is that Qatar nationals only make up 10% of the country's population. So, essentially, Qatar's population is made up mostly of expats. In fact, there are more people from India, Bangladesh and Nepal currently living in Qatar. This actually makes English the most common language of communication between expats and Qataris. Most businesses are serviced by expats too. So unless you're working directly with Qataris or have managed to become friends with one, your day-to-day communication, both at work and in customer service situations, will be ones where you will be mainly using English or your own first language. Ironically, you'll be better off learning Hindi, Nepali, Tagalog or Urdu before Arabic, as your chances of practicing these languages will be a lot higher. I have also heard from expats that they hope that when they moved here that they'll be able to immerse themselves in the culture and language, even bring with them Arabic dictionaries or courses. But this eventually went unused as the opportunity to practice just wasn't there. At least in our situation and that of that many people that we have met while living here, their exposure to Qataris or Arabic-speaking people is fairly limited. Something that I've also come to witness is locals and service attendants, for example, being unable to communicate with each other. And that's when I came to the interesting realization that Qataris, in their own home country, can communicate using their own language, which is why most of the Qataris that we have met speak fluent English. After all, for most expats, Arabic is certainly not a requirement in order to get a job here. And for some sectors, neither is English. And as far as driving is concerned, don't worry, the majority of the road signs are both in English and Arabic, which is extremely helpful. So, to answer the question, do you need to learn Arabic to live in Qatar? I will say that the answer is no. However, all of our past travels, the locals we have met have always appreciated the effort and being met in their tongue. So ultimately, I do think it is respectful to learn a few basic words of the country that is hosting you. If you'd like to learn more during your time here though, do check out the Arabic courses on offer at the Qatar Islamic Center, also known as FANAR. There are also many videos available on YouTube to learn some of the basics. So, as promised, here are a few words that you might want to learn that I found very useful. But please do excuse my pronunciation, I do not claim to be any sort of professional Arabic speaking person by any means. Marhaba, hi or hello. Assalamu alaikum. This is a common greeting that translates to peace be upon you. You will reply with peace be upon you too, which is walam alaikum salam. Shukran, which is thank you. And if you subscribe to my channel, shukran jasilan, which is thank you very much. Afwan, excuse me. Inshallah. This is used by many and my understanding is that it's a way of saying God be willing. So for example, if someone was to say to you, I'll see you tomorrow, you could respond with Inshallah, meaning God be willing, I hope to see you tomorrow. Please give the video a like if you found this helpful. And while you're here, why not check out another one of my videos from my channel. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on the next one.